peoples, and welcome to Go on Guitar. TAI VERDES, electrical song to play as well. It goes back and forth, so it's hard to stop actually. It's 2 chords, so yeah, let's start this one up. No need for any capo, and we will go over the 2 chords, which is the A and the G chord. So let's start with the G. And for this song, I actually just played like this, basically, because we're gonna emphasize certain notes, and you don't need more than that. So the grip I'm holding here, based upon the G, is 3rd on E, and then I mute the next string, which is the A string. I just lean this finger I'm using, in this case this middle finger, lean it on top of the A string, so it's muted, and then you go on to the open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Leave that open. Okay, so it's based upon a G, and that is the grip. The next, second and final chord we need to know is A. It's based upon A, and the base of this grip, you will say, will be a bar here on the 2nd fret from the D string and down, so that means 4 strings. So from bottom up, 4 strings, like this, and we will alternate and use this 5th fret on the B string. So for G, we will alternate these 2 notes, the open E and 3rd B. So that's the reason for why we're having this open E. And then, like I said, for this A, 2nd fret E string, we alternate that one with the 5th fret B string. So that's the reason for this stretchy grip here. All right, so we will go over the melody now. It goes from G to A. Just the notes here will be that's the G part, and the A will be okay. So we'll start with the G. You have that in the grip, so the open open E string 2 times, and then 3rd fret B. And then you're gonna play with a pause after that. You're gonna play open E, 3rd B, open E, 3rd B 2 times. So open E, 3rd B. Then pause, and then open E, 3rd B, open E, 3rd B, 3rd B. And the same rhythm goes for this A, just different notes. You just replace them with the 2nd fret E string, so 2 times on that one, and then 5th fret on the B string, and then 2nd E, 5th B, 2nd E, 5th B, 5th B. So together, G and A sounds like this. Alright, so now you're just gonna add the chords to it and try to emphasize these notes. So like that. So it's hard to explain exact how you play the downs and ups. I could give you one pattern to it. It's not necessarily the correct way. That is exactly how I do it, and it feels and sounds good. Sounds like the original song. But I think you could do some experiment on this and yeah, make it in your own way. But I'm just gonna go over quickly how I use the down and up technique here for this pattern. So let's look at the G, and you can play in the same way for the A grip as well. So for the G, I play the first 3 notes just with 3 downs, Then I just play one extra on the bass or so. So no melody notes is emphasized on this one. And then I'm gonna play all the melody notes on the ups, okay? And I'm gonna give one down in between all the notes. So up, down, up. So on ups, I go with the melody notes and I give one extra down on the chord just to fill in the gap, the space. So it always goes up and down like this. So on all ups from this open E, all these notes are on the ups, and you just alternate up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and up. That is the ending. So slowly it will be like this. So all the downs in between I play here on the bass, which is the G here now for this chord. And again. And the same goes for A. So one round like this. Yeah, and so on. So that is how I use and play the TAI VERDES song called Electrical with just 2 chords and this simple melody. Give it a try, guys. A great song to learn and fun to play as well. Till next time. Play tuned.